Hello, this is Mr. Huff. Let's take a look at naming covalent compounds. First thing we need to talk about is writing the covalent compound formulas. Consider the Greek prefixes. Mono means one, di means two, tri means three, tetra means four, penta means five, hexa means six, hepta means seven, octa means eight, nona means nine, and deca means 10. The first thing you need to do is make sure you only have non-metals in your element list. If you have a metal in there, you are talking about an ionic bond, not a covalent bond, so you need to use the ionic naming rules, not the covalent rules. The rules for covalent naming: use the Greek prefix for the subscripts. Never use mono on the first element. Consider carbon dioxide, CO2. Okay, we don't say monocarbon dioxide, we just say carbon. Carbon, there's only one. And then the oxygen at the second part has two, so we say carbon dioxide. If it was just CO, it would be carbon monoxide. So if there's only one in the first element, don't say mono on the first element. When you're writing the covalent compounds, you don't reduce, you don't crisscross, you don't follow the naming or the compound writing rules that you do with ionic bonding, where you're paying attention to the charges at the top, the oxidation numbers. This is not the same, so you just use the numbers as they are. Examples: dinitrogen pentoxide, so that means you have 2 nitrogens and 5 oxygens. Nitrogen trihydride, that means you have 1 nitrogen and 3 hydrogens. Covalent naming: use the Greek prefixes to determine the subscripts. Always change the ending of the second atom to IDE. For example, N2H4, dinitrogen tetrahydride, Pi3, phosphorus triiodide, CO, carbon monoxide. Notice we didn't put monocarbon monoxide. And these are the diatomics we talked about earlier. They're just referred to by their chemical names. You just need to remember that when we say chlorine, we mean Cl2. All of these occur as gases except for bromine, which is a liquid at room temperature, and iodine, which is a crystalline solid at room temperature. Okay, that's it.